How to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. What is up everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to fix the issue where your Bluetooth is not working. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. As you can see, I've turned this on, but if this is not working, then what you need to do first is access your device manager. So go ahead and tap on search bar and search for device manager. Once you open up your device manager, all you need to do here is simply go ahead and find Bluetooth. Click on this drop down and choose your Bluetooth device. So go ahead and disable this device for once. Click on yes. And if I go ahead and click here, the device will be disabled. Now you're going to have to enable device again. Do the same for all of these. And after that, go ahead and update your driver. Search automatically, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you don't have to worry about anything else. After doing this, you could just go ahead and give your PC a quick restart. But if that doesn't fix your issue, then what you're going to have to do next is go to your start menu and open settings. From your settings, you're going to have to head over to system and then find the troubleshooting option. Go to troubleshoot and then other troubleshooters. Now from here, you're going to have to find your Bluetooth troubleshoot and run it up. Once you run your Bluetooth troubleshoot, Windows will help you identify the problem that's causing the issue and then ask to fix itself. You're just going to have to allow that and it will automatically troubleshoot it and fix the issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.